Bas kapok ochako go mbaka gi Ben Suda to wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka dala mar Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, kuma Seth Olale jasuba nitiere. Seth oimore, ageno ni winjowa maler. Ang'o mosefwenyo nyaka ne wago mbaka saa achiel nyaka sani?
Ne Trevor Mbija an jauyoma modak suba lakini sani wawinjo ni Raila Odinga Amolo osechopo Addis Ababa kato Jaten Migao Musalia Mudavadi Emma Odwake. But very quickly, Trevor, I also want to talk about what happened here during the day in as far as the inter-council meeting of the Africa Union Commission is concerned. Of course, this is a meeting that usually precedes the Heads of State Summit. It is a meeting attended by foreign affairs ministers. And when I mention foreign affairs ministers of Africa, the likes of the Djibouti candidate for the Africa Union Commission chairperson, that is Mohammed Ali Yusuf, was part and parcel of today's interministerial executive meeting of the AU, because he also serves as the foreign affairs minister for Djibouti. So in this particular session today, they adopted quite a number of ratifications, including the situation in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo and the situation in Palestine. So these two particular security issues or topics were discussed. They were part of the agenda. Secondly, they managed to conduct votes, and this was an election of 6 commissioners, and these 6 commissioners will be part and parcel of the team that will be led by whoever clinches the Saturday's vote for the AUC chair as well as the deputy AUC. And so the commissioners will either work with the likes of Richard Diamandrato of Madagascar, Ali Yusuf Mohammed of Djibouti, and Kenya's Raila Amolo Odinga. Whoever becomes the chairperson in Saturday's voting will now lead the AU commission that has 6 commissioners that will be elected by the ministers, but the foreign affairs minister. This particular exercise will be done tomorrow. But today, there were also slots up for grabs, and I'm just going to read the results as they come, just receiving this particular from the officials there who conducted these particular votes. Inside this particular plenary hall just behind me, the Nelson Mandela Hall, which will host the heads of states on Friday and Saturday. But some results here, and this is in regards to, remember that the Africa Union is not just about the heads of states, it is not just about the Africa Union Commission, but has other very crucial subcommittees. And so this is how the vote went on today. Rwanda failed to get a seat in the AU Security Council after getting only 1 vote in the second round. And another vote pitting Morocco versus Algeria was forced into a postponement. Nigeria has won the political affairs, peace and security seat, defeating Central African Republic. South Africa also emerged the winner in as far as the Infrastructure Council is concerned, because it beat Cameroon from ECOWAS. Now we also have another result here from the Eswatini, which managed to beat Congo and Zimbabwe to win to sit in the Agriculture Council committee as a committee member there. And so, Trevor, there's a lot more tomorrow, because tomorrow now, like I said, we're going to have the election of the commissioners that will work closely with the chairperson and the deputy chairperson that will be and can only be voted in by the heads of state. Remember that we have 35 presidents from various African nations who will arrive here from tomorrow to participate in the 2-day exercise of the summit. Also, we'll have an additional 8 prime ministers, as well as other 6 delegations appointed, special envoy appointed only by the presidents to represent them here. Koro Trevor, Addis Ababa Kasani Tokoyo Ngich. and we can only wish you well back in East Africa. But that is what is coming up here as far as the Africa Union Summit is concerned. We're calling it the 38th Ordinary Session of the Africa Union. Clever Ombija Wood Sakwa. Wachane.
Kan jasakwa. Ero kama no seto jasubo wacho nene ndio yo
In Janakaj. In Trevor, in mheshimiwa mtarajiwa Martin Akach. I beg.
Aye wachiri no seto. Warobro gomba kabange. Ero kama na ija no seto lali kaguko do Addis Ababa. Penjmari